The one I had was MNPR. MNPR.
Yeah.
That was a go. I had a huge run.
Okay. So yeah, definitely had a huge run. Let's see.
I made a killing off of that, like $120 today.
Wow. Let me see if I'm trying to find like what the price was when we alerted it, so we can look at it from there. You said MNDR?
Yeah, MNDR.
Oh, MNDR. I put MNPR.
That might be a PR. You're right. You're right. Actually, I think I'm wrong.
Well, this one had a nice little setup here too. Look, everything's
That's the one. Actually, I think.
Yeah, everything's made up. You'll learn that the market, well, most pretty charts, is made of breaks and retests. So boom, as soon as I open this chart, what do I see? Resistance right here became new support, and it was confirmed right here. And then what did price do? It continued. This is chop. Okay, sometimes the stock will go up and come back down, but guess what? It's still above this rising moving average. So I can rest. I can trust the analysis. I can trust my indicators, even though price is going up. I can say, hey, it's still above this rising moving average, so I'm good. So let's say this didn't happen today. You know what I mean? We trusted it because it was above this moving average. Next thing we know, we're at 1602 from 771, and you probably sold up top.
Now, what can you see? Are you able to see? So 6:30 is when we first alerted it, and we gave some information about the news, about what the company's doing. What was going on at 6:29? I'm sorry, specifically.
Okay, Thursday, 6:29, 6:45. Okay, yeah, so it picked up all that volume. So
Wow.
this is 6:30 right here. It picked up all that volume.
Okay, we got it right at the beginning.
Yeah, so check it out. So you can come to, since that would mostly be a day trade, you can come put your 5-minute chart up and see where it happened. And you can start looking for entries, because we don't want to just buy. That's what I want people to avoid. We don't want to just buy because we put out an alert.
Good point.
Sometimes the alerts can lie to you. They can fake you out. It could be a fake out breakout is what they're called. But you can come, you can look for a setup like this spiked up. We got the volume. And of course we want to buy the dip. We don't want to chase it. Like I say, if you miss the pop, you wait for the drop, right? So then we'll start, when price starts coming down, we're going to look for a setup. This is a decent setup. It's going sideways. You know, maybe it'll be prettier on the 15-minute. Let's see here.
I bought the drop at 11. You see where the drop is? I bought it at $11.
Okay, so you bought it right at 11?
11 something. It was around $11.
Okay, 11 and some change. I imagine you probably saw this movement up and you probably got in here. And that's okay. You know what I mean? It's still, price is still moving above this 8-day exponential moving average. So, and it came back down and kissed it a little bit. But, you know, we got to trust the analysis. And what did it do? It popped up.
Yeah. I ended up selling it at like 16, though. I think on the way back down, I was like, and I just ended up selling it at 16, but I missed it at 19.
Well, you could have, like in that case, you could have gone down to like a 5-minute, like if you're day trading it, you could have gone down to a 5-minute and saw that there was long wicks and a small body.
Oh, yeah.
And then you probably would have sold. Yeah, you probably would have sold here. You know what I mean? You would have been like, oh, damn, momentum is changing on me.
That's exactly what I saw. When I started pushing all the way back down, I was like, oh, man, this is dropping too fast. And I just sold. I think it was dropping so fast that I put a market order for it to sell at around like 17, 18 or something. And then it just got out at 16. But, hey, I was way in profit.
Yeah, when you want to get out, put that market order. You want to get out, don't put a limit order.
It was going so fast. I was like, shit. And I was changing all the market orders. I was like, the limit orders. And then I was like, no, I got to go market. And then it finally was able to stop. Just for you to know, Keisha, market takes priority. Sorry, Chris.
No, that's a great point.
A market order is going to take priority over a limit order.
Because there's been like several, before I realized that on it's been so many times.
and look, Keisha, check out where he has his cursor. That's where the drop occurred. If you see how it's lining up with the MACD and the stochastic, it's like it's telling you exit. It's got the curve already. You see what I'm saying? So it's already curving down, and especially after the cross.
Okay.
Yeah,
I'm gonna have to go look over these things, because there's just stuff I got to see it on my own. You know what I mean?
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, I've looked at thousands of charts, and that it just comes with practice. You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
Repetition.
Yeah, repetition. Repetition to the mind is as exercises to the body.